How to make Samsung phone charge faster. So if you just plug your Samsung phone, then it started charging. Now to confirm how long it's going to take your Samsung phone to complete the charging, then come to battery and you should say you have about 1 hour 15 minutes until full. And this is because my phone is at 34%. So if your phone is somewhere below this, you should have more time to charge your phone to completion. So here, I'm just going to show you how you can easily make your Samsung phone charge faster. To do this, just go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone again. So go to your Samsung phone settings and just come here, search for settings. On the settings, scroll down, click on battery. Scroll down the battery page until you get to charging settings. Click on it. Then turn on fast charging. Once you turn on fast charging, hit the power button. Then go ahead and plug your Samsung phone to power source. Then it should say 38 minutes until full. You see that? And if you choose to disable battery fast charging, and then you plug your phone, then it should say 1 hour 15 minutes. So if you want to make sure that your phone charged really fast, just turn on fast charging, and then you should see how long it's going to take. 38 minutes. So that's exactly how to make Samsung phone charge faster. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.